Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 131 till 134 of Surah Baqarah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ووصى بها إبراهيم بنيه ويعقوب يا بني إن الله اصطفى لكم الدين فلا تموتن إلا وأنتم مسلمون. Circle your lips to pronounce wow. When pronouncing wow, you cannot use your teeth to touch your lower lip. So for wow, you just have to circle your lips. Don't use teeth. And for fatha, open your jaws. Wa, the sound is short. Was. The second wow is attached with sod. Was, and sod will get rukhawa. Sod will get rukhawa and rukhawa. Sod, sorry. Sod will get rukhawa. Sod will get safir. It is heavy, so many things are working on sod, so we be very careful. Was, saw is 2 counts long too. B is short. Ha, 4 counts long. Biha, this is mad munfasil. Ja is biha. Ib, Hamza is very strong sound, and for kasra give e sound attached with ba, and ba has sakoon. So kutubu jadin are the 5 letters. Whenever these are with sakoon, it gets sifa of qalqala, and qalqala is when you close the makhraj very strongly, and then you give a little gap to create this qalqala. So this is actually, this is taba'ud. You are closing something and then opening to create qalqala. This is called taba'ud. Iba, ra is 2 counts long, and it is heavy. The sound should be ra. It cannot be ibara, ra. No, it's heavy. Iba, ra. The sound, the heavy raw sounds like raw. Raw, he is 2 counts long. Mu, for dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is very short. Ba, short. Ni, 2 counts long. He, short. Wa, circle your lips to pronounce wow. For fatha, open your jaws. Wa, yeah. Yeah is very soft letter. You are lifting your tongue up towards your palate, but you are not touching it. So the sound is very, it doesn't have j sound. It's yeah. And ain will get tawassut. Ain from your throat. It should be from your throat very clearly. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh is 2 counts long, and it is heavy. Qaf is heavy letter, so this mud is heavy. Qu, bu, for dhamma, circle your lips. Yeah, again, it doesn't have j sound, but it's the middle of your tongue is lifting towards your palate, but it's not touching it. So it's the doesn't have that Y sound into it. The ya is very different. The Arabic ya is a very different pronunciation. So ya 2 counts long. Ba, short. Ni, sorry, it's noon is attached with ya. Ni, the ya will get tawassut because ya is with tashdid. Wow and ya are the letters. If they are with tashdid, even though if they are in wasl or waqf, any state, they will get nabar, and nabar is a raise of your voice. Bani, when you are attaching noon with ya, this is the place where you will apply number ni. Yeah, yeah is short, fatha is very short. Ya bani. Yeah. In hamza is a very sharp sound. For kasra, give e sound. Give gunna on noon. Noon and mim are two gunna letters, huruf gunna in Quran. Whenever these are with tashdid, they get a longer period of gunna. In, and then lafz jalala, and lafz jalala will be heavy here because there is fatha before it. Whenever there is fatha or dhamma before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, this name will, the lam of this name will be heavy, and it's understood that it is long, always long. So in, you are creating gunna here on noon, then you are attaching with lafz jalala. Now noon will be light, noon, keep noon light, and then as you will touch the Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, it should be heavy. Now lo, two counts long, ha short. Sorry, ha is attached with sod. House, you will give rakhawa, there will be safir, it is heavy. It is heavy too. So R stands for rakhawa, S stands for safir, H stands for heavy letters. So house, to is short and to is heavy letter. So whenever there is any heavy letter, you will write capital H. House, fa is two counts long. La short. Ku for dhamma, circle your lips, and kaf is light letter and the sound is very short. Ku mud for dhamma, circle your lips, attached with dal. Dal is a strong letter. Mud di two counts long. Na la ku muddina. Fa will get hums. Fa is the letter. Whenever it is with fatha, dhamma, kasra, or sukoon, it gets hums. No matter what is state fa is in, but it will get hums, and hums is a flow of breath. This sound should be there when you will pronounce fa. Fala, ta, la is two counts long, ta short, mu two counts long. For dhamma, circle your lips. Tun for dhamma, circle your lips. As soon as you will touch noon, your lips should be in a straight position, in a natural position. Tun, and you will give gunna at the same time, and gunna is to keep the sound in your nose. Tun, and for fatha, give a short sound. Na, tunna, fala, tamu, tunna, il. Hamza is a very sharp sound. For kasra, give e sound and attach with lam, and lam is two counts long because it's one of the long vowels. Alif sakina qablaha maftuh, waw sakina qablaha matmum, and ya sakina qablaha maksur are the three long vowels, naturally long vowels in Quran. So make them long. It is naturally long. Illa, wa. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Wa, hamza is a very sharp sound. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with noon, and noon has ikhfa. Ikhfa huwa. So you are hiding the sound of noon. So in ikhfa, there are counted three steps. What are these? You are not, first of all, you are not pronouncing noon. So what you are doing, the second step is that you are going towards, your tongue should be ready to pronounce ta. And third thing is you are keeping sound in your nose. Ikhfa, the other name of ikhfa is gunna. Yes, the gunna is a must part of ikhfa. The sound should stay in your nose. Wa antum, for dhamma, circle your lips. Now here meme is with tashdid. Whenever you will see noon or meme with tashdid, you will give gunna. You will stop you will make sure that your sound should stay in your nose and it gets a longer time. وأنتم مسلمون. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.